Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and join the family because I would love to have you here. So as you can see from the title below, today we're going to be diving into my updated everyday makeup routine. And I'm talking no lashes, simplicity. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's going to be very beginner friendly, school friendly, work friendly, all of that good stuff. So with that being said, make sure you guys go ahead and get comfortable, grab your snacks, grab your matcha sis, and let's get to it. So first, we're gonna start off with some skincare prep because like I tell you guys all the time, skincare is key to have your makeup looking flawless.com. I wanna say thank you so much to CeraVe for sponsoring today's video. You guys know we are CeraVe stans over here. One of my favorite things that I love about CeraVe is the fact that they give us dermatologist tested or approved skincare at such a great budget that you can find at your local drugstore or Amazon. And since today's video is all about simplicity, I really wanted to show you guys quickly some CeraVe products that I have been loving that you can use to create a very simple skincare routine. Now this product over here is a newbie that I've been working into my routine. I actually got it in a goodie bag when I went on my brand trip with CeraVe, and I was like, you know what, as soon as I get home, I gotta try it, test it, let you guys know how I've been feeling about it. And this is their skin renewing vitamin C serum, formulated with 10% pure vitamin C. And I know most of my followers are women of color who have similar concerns like me, like targeting your hyperpigmentation, that discoloration. You know, you wanna make your skin even out. So every time I try a product that helps to even out the skin that I really love and my skin enjoys, I always want to make sure to share it with you guys, and this is one of those items. A vitamin C serum is an important anti-aging skincare step that helps to neutralize the free radicals that may lead to signs of premature skin aging, in addition to enhancing your skin's radiance and healthy looking appearance. That is something that I'm actually learning with you guys for the first time right now, because who would have thought that using a vitamin C serum will also help you stay youthful. We love that over here, okay? So our next step is gonna be eye cream. I personally like to apply my eye cream before I go in with my moisturizer. I don't know why, it just is what it is, okay? This is their eye repair cream, but when I went on the CeraVe website, what really convinced me to want to try it out is the fact that it's an eye cream for dark circles and puffiness. And as you can see, the dark circles are very much present over here. So anything that helps to depuff the eyes and helps to really get rid of that dark circles, I'm all about that. I love the hydration that gave underneath the eyes. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but my under eye is giving glowy.com. And lastly, we're gonna finish off our skincare prep with a moisturizer, and it's definitely gonna have SPF because we like to protect our skin over here, okay? And this is their ultralight moisturizing lotion with SPF 30. Now this is meant for normal to oily skin, but the main reason why I feel like us dry skin girls can get away with using it is for this simple reason. Because since we go in with all of our other skincare prep that really brings in that hydration and dewiness, as you can see, we are glowy.com. Going in with a matte finish moisturizer, I kind of feel like helps to balance the skin out to look more normal instead of too dewy. Now, even though it's supposed to be a matte finish, I definitely feel like it still kept my skin looking very hydrated and dewy. And I know that's because it includes the essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid as well. So that's why I feel like if you have dry skin, you can definitely get away with using this moisturizing lotion, because look at that finish. There is no white cast, okay? It's giving perfection. And yeah, that's pretty much my skincare prep. Super simple and easy, but it does the job. The glowiness, the hydration. This is what's gonna give us that flawless base. So make sure you guys go ahead and check out all the CeraVe products that I used today in the description box below. And thank you so much again to CeraVe for sponsoring today's video, and to you guys for supporting my content so that I can get opportunities like this to work with brands that I love. Let's dive into the makeup portion of this video. So normally when I'm doing my everyday makeup, I don't really go in with primer. I just let my moisturizer be my primer, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna start off with a little color correcting because on my day-to-day, I like to go in with a tinted moisturizer, but of course that doesn't really cancel out your hyperpigmentation as much, because it is a sheer formula. So just to make sure I can even out my skin a little bit more, I like to go in with a little bit of color correcting, and I've been loving this palette from Makeup Forever. This is their HD Skin all-in-one face palette. I've seen people use it for color correcting, concealer, foundation, bronzers, blush, highlight. It has a little bit of everything. So I'm just gonna take a brush and pick up some of that orange cream color corrector and pack some in underneath the eye. I'm also going to be taking some around my mouth just to even out the chin area, because this is where I have more hyperpigmentation as well. And like I said, we're keeping it nice and light today, so we're not going in with foundation. I'm gonna be taking my favorite tinted moisturizer from Rare Beauty. If there is one tinted moisturizer that I have to say you guys need in your life for an everyday routine, it is this one right here. And I feel so confident to recommend it to you guys because the shade range is amazing. But this is Rare Beauty's Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer. It has SPF 20, which is great as well. And I'm in the shade 42N. But can we just take a moment to appreciate how good the complexion is looking right now? I mean, it's a good makeup day. So now we're gonna go ahead with some concealer, and I'm gonna be taking this Huda Beauty concealer. I've been obsessed with this concealer recently. Like, I've been using it every single day. And this is Huda Beauty's Full Filter Luminous Matte Liquid Concealer. I use this shade Brittle, which is also 6.5G. And now that we have the under eyes blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my Huda Beauty setting powder. This is their Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Banana Bread. This is such a dry skin friendly powder. I honestly feel like it's undetectable. So now I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. When it comes to bronzers and highlights, I really do switch it up every day depending on how I feel. Same with blush, because I have like so many bronzers that I really love. So today I'm gonna be taking this bronzer from Sigma. This is their matte bronzer in the shade Deep. And now that we're all bronzed, we add some definition into the face. I'm gonna go in with some blush because she's a blush girl now, okay? I just feel like blush brings life to your cheeks, and it really does help elevate the makeup look, especially if you're not doing too much like how we are today. A little blush makes such a huge difference. Today, I really wanna go into one of my favorite palettes. This is from NARS. This is their On the Beach palette, and I gotta be honest with you guys, it was one of the very first palettes that made me fall in love with blush, specifically for this shade. It just complements my skin tone so nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some of that and just start to pack it in. Okay, I love how that looks. I feel like we're looking snatch sculpted. The tones on our cheeks is matching with the vibes of our hijab as well, so it looks really, really nice. So now I'm gonna finish it off with some highlight. I'm gonna be taking one of my favorite highlighters, hands down, guys. This is from M Cosmetics. It's their Sunscape highlighter in the shade Legendary. It's just such a beautiful golden bronze highlight. I absolutely love to take a little bit of this highlight and just pack it onto my lid because it just gives such a like beautiful iridescent glow. It's the glow for me. Like, are you guys seeing how beautiful that looks on the cheeks? Like, wow. It's giving very much glass skin, and I'm so here for it. And also, how beautiful is the highlight on the lids, guys? During the day, when you're out in the sun, it just looks so pretty. And if you pop on mascara or your lashes, it just looks like everything. Since this is my everyday makeup look and I've been embracing my natural lashes more, I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. And my current favorite mascara is actually from Benefit. This is their Roller Lash Mascara. I don't know, I just love the wand. It doesn't apply too thick onto your lashes. You know, it doesn't make it chunky, but it also gives your lashes that nice length. And you guys know I always say my lashes are non-existent. So anything that helps me finesse the look of fire lashes, I'ma use it. So definitely check out this mascara if you have struggle lashes like me, okay? Like I said, this mascara just brought my struggle lashes to life because how pretty is that? I'm into it. You just gotta find the right mascara that works for you. Really wanted to put you guys onto this lip balm that I've been obsessed with from MAC, and this is their Glow Play lip balm. The shade that I have right now is Grapefully Admired. This is in my purse every single day, and I'm gonna show you guys why. Like, how gorgeous is this lip color? I feel like to make this natural everyday makeup routine really look natural, what you apply on your lips can really seal the deal. Because to me, I feel like this looks like a nice flush of color on my lips, but it doesn't look like I tried too hard, you know what I mean? And the fact that I can just easily reapply one shade when I'm on the go, it's the convenience for me. Like, I've tried so many tinted lip balms and I haven't found one that looks this beautiful on the lips, that is this hydrating. I also have been really liking another shade from them as well, and this is in the shade That Tickles. It's more of like a reddish burnt orange tone. So both are really beautiful, but this shade, this is my home skillet biscuit, okay? This is my right hand. Like, I am gonna be using this all the time, and I can already see myself repurchasing this over and over again. So shout out to MAC because the formula of this is amazing. So yeah, guys, with that being said, this is the final makeup look. Like I said before, it's so easy to do. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you come say hi in the comments. Let me know what your favorite product is if you have one. Let me know if you'll be picking up any of the CeraVe skincare prep, because like I said in the start of this video, skincare prep is so essential and important when it comes to your complexion routine, okay? So make sure you guys check out all of the CeraVe products that I mentioned today in the description box below. And thank you again to CeraVe for sponsoring this video. The love is real for CeraVe over here, okay? And I'm very grateful to be working with them. So shout out to them, and shout out to you guys if you made it all the way to the end. You are loved as well, okay? And with that being said, like always, I'll see you guys in my next video.